Hi everyone, it's me Persa J, and today's video is I'm gonna teach you how to make an appointment to DFA if you want to have an apostille document. Again, if you're new here to my channel, please do subscribe and click that bell button so that you're updated on my upcoming videos.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you, so I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop, got you feeling both love. You get to fly with me.
So guys, this is only the requirements of the applicant and representative, but I write it in the description below so that you can read it, or you may screenshot here if you want to have a copy. So again, first thing we do is we go to our Chrome, then type the co.dfa apostille.ph, and again you can click the login here, and after that is create an account if you don't have an account. Then fill up the details that they need, like complete name, and again all the information that they need, and again don't forget to enter your email and your password, then confirm password. Then after that is click the I accept the terms and condition, and again click register. Then again please check your inbox, spam or other folder to view the verification link. Again, you can check your email. Then again, this is the example only. So this is the example of the email. So click this email and click this link here. Then after that is your account has been successfully created. Then click this proceed to log in. Then after that is enter the email and password that we create. Then click login. Once we click the login is you can choose one if you're the owner or the representative. But again, for me, I choose documents owner. So I click the documents owner. So after that is click the address that the branch that you want to have an apostille. Then again click next. Once we click next is fill up the details that they need, and again double check and click this add documents here. And again this is the reminder or instruction. Select the type of documents, then insert the number of documents per transaction. But again, regular for 3 working days, and expedite or rush is 1 working days. But again, please advise that expedite transaction is temporary and available for processing. You can read all above, guys, or you can visit the DFA website that I will write below. So after that, here is the example of the documents. You can scroll down and you can choose what type of documents that you want to have an apostille. But again, guys, double check the information, and again pair documents, again the regular and the expedite. So again, double check the information or choose wisely what types of documents that you want to have an appointment or apostille. And again, this is only the example because I need in BI. So for today's video is my example is in the BI, but again you can choose your own documents if you want to be. So again, you can scroll, you can find what type of documents that DFA available or partners. So again, not all of the documents, no. So again, after that is I choose NBI. Then so I need regular to regular. So I write to here. Then after that is scroll down, then click the select. Once you click the select, as you can see here all the details that we enter, the regular to, and again after that is click the next. And again, guys, this is the first scenario. You can click the date because that means that it's not available. No, that was the first scenario of appointment scheduling of date. So that was the first. You can click that because it's not unavailable. So this is the second scenario. It's all orange or red, and it means that it's not unavailable. So make sure that they have an available or blue color, so that that means that it's available. So after that is select the date, then the time. After that is you can double check and click confirm. Once we click the confirm, is here's the summary of application. You can read all the information, and again double check and click the generate appointment. Once we click that, is your appointment has been sent to your email that we enter lately, and please print and present your confirm appointment letter to appointment verification counter. So here's the example. So the email, so we click here, and again we click the download button here and save it to our phone or device. So after that, after we download, is here's the example of the appointment. So print, then bring it to the branch of your DFA. So again guys, that's all for today's video. Hope it would be help. And again, if you have any concern about this transaction, you can leave me a comment below so that I can answer you. So again guys, this is only the example of Cagayan de Oro. I don't know if same standard of every branch, no? So again guys, thank you so much for being always there. God bless everyone.